Hello everyone, I'm Roshita Thomas, Assistant Professor in IPS Academy, Indore. I'm here to give a presentation on personality development. So why we talk about personality, why we talk about personality development, and what is the importance of it. Now what is a personality? Actually, personality is a set of various characteristics of an individual that makes the person different from other individuals. So various characteristics like our attitude, our nature, our behavior, the way we treat other people, our etiquettes, values, beliefs, confidence level, these qualities makes us different from other people. So that's why we need to possess a good personality, we need to have a positive personality. Personality is not something which is only restricted to looks and appearance. Personality is not something which is only restricted to looks and appearance, right? We cannot change our looks and appearance. Of course, that is God-gifted, and we are just a reflection of our parents. What we can do is, what we can improve in ourselves is we can improve our personality by improving or enhancing our confidence level, our communication skills, by improving our body language, keeping a positive attitude. So this way, staying motivated as well, so this way we can improve our personality. And when we talk about today's scenario, this is a very competitive world, competitive age, fast age. So we need to leave a positive impact on other people, and we want to succeed in our life, professionally, and personally. So we come across so many people in our daily life, so we need to possess a good personality. That's why we talk about personality and personality development. Now, why personality is important? Personality is important because we come across so many people in our daily life. We deal with people, to interact with them, to convince them, to leave a positive impact on them, to cultivate flexibility, persuasion, compassion, and diplomacy, and to ensure competence in professional life, we need to have a great personality. That's why we talk about personality and improving personality. Now, what are the benefits of personality development? When we talk about personality development, actually we want a better life, a stress-free life, a better life, a healthier life, better decision-making ability, enhanced confidence level, and we want to become a more pleasing personality. So that's why we talk about personality development, and these are some of the benefits of having a great personality. Now, what are the qualities of a good personality? Now, qualities of a good personality: a confident person, a self-motivated person, a person possessing a positive attitude, is acceptable and liked everywhere. And these persons, they leave a very positive impact on other people. So these are some of the qualities of a good person or good personality: positive attitude, values, motivation, beliefs, confidence, etc. Some of them we are going to discuss in the next slides. So the very first thing that people notices in you, and the very first thing that you notices in other people, is the attitude of that person. So what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to try to have a positive attitude towards ourselves and towards others. The very first thing which people notices about you is what is your attitude towards yourself and what is your attitude towards other people. So that is the very first thing that you knowingly or unknowingly notices about others, and others notices about you. So having a positive attitude is actually not that easy, but with the help of, by practicing it on daily basis, you can have a positive attitude. You need to be positive, because positivity is something like negativity, positive vibes, negative vibes. So when you're positive, you affect other people positively. And positive attitude leads to positive results. The next thing we'll talk about is confidence level. Now, believe in yourself. A confident person, a self-confident person, definitely can leave a very positive impact on other people. We like to meet with people who are having a great confidence. So when you are confident, actually your personality becomes more of appealing and attractive, and people like interacting with you. So a confident person, when you believe in yourself, yes, I can do that, I can do this, I believe in doing this, I believe in myself, I believe in my strengths. So you also implements confidence in other people as well. And people will start liking your company because you are a motivated person, you're a confident person, and you also shed some of your qualities on other people. Next thing we'll talk about is setting a goal in life. Having a goal in life, setting a goal in life is very important, because when you have a goal in your life, you become a very focused person. Your concentration level increases. You have some goal in your life, all your moves, all your efforts, you are going to put that in the right direction. When you have a goal in life, you will move in the right direction. If you are doing something wrong, or if you are wasting your time in meeting unnecessary people or talking unnecessary things, you'll stop doing that and you'll focus all your efforts on your goal, on your targeted. Now, goal can be anything. It can be a personal goal, it can be a professional goal, it can be anything. You want to spend more time with family, you want a positive change in your personality, you want to start an NGO, you want to help other people. So goal can be anything. When you have a goal in your life, when you set a goal in your life, you become more of successful, and you concentrate all your efforts in the right direction. And setting a goal is very important, because that's what keeps you motivated to do right things. Instead of doing wrong things, or instead of wasting things on unproductive matter, you're going to change your attitude and you're going to change your focus, and you'll focus on achieving the target which you have actually set for yourself. Now, when you have a goal in your life, you become a self-motivated person. Because motivation comes from within. Motivation comes from within. You need to be motivated. You're supposed to motivate yourself to do right things. When you motivate yourself, motivation comes from within. And when you motivate yourself, you also motivate other people. When a person is self-motivated, then only the person can motivate other people, right? So people like to be in a company of people who appreciate them and who motivates them. Right? So motivation is another important factor which adds to your personality, which is reflected in your personality and which adds to your personality. Now, communication skills are very important to become a good personality, or communication skills are an important part. It is an important ingredient, we can say, to have a good personality. Now, communication skills are regarded as necessary anywhere, not only in business life, it is very important in personal life, professional life, family life, anywhere. A person who possesses good communication skills is actually able to express himself or herself very nicely to the another person. So communication skills, you can make other people convince, you can make them do whatever you want to make them do. So communication skills are very important. You are able to communicate properly, so you are acceptable and you are liked by everyone, and you get success in your life. Now, next thing, communication skills, actually body language is a part of communication skills only, but I have taken this point separately. Now, body language is what? Body language is a combination of your expressions, facial expressions, eyes, eye contact, your appearance, your dressing sense, the way you treat other people, your gestures, your body posture, your confidence. So everything is included in body language actually. So body language is not something which is an inborn quality or inborn trait, but we can practice it and we can improve our body language. Having a correct body language is very necessary to succeed not only in interview, in any field, in any area. We need to possess a right body language, because whatever you are speaking, your body language should match your words. And we speak louder. Action speaks louder than words. We know this thing. Now, next point which I have covered is spending time with Mother Nature, or we can say appreciating the beauty of God. Now, we are living in a scenario, we are living in a competitive world, technological, advanced technology, all the gadgets, electronic items are surrounded by us. So we are actually leading a kind of very competitive, stressful life. So we need to balance our personality. So if you want to make your personality a more of pleasing, peaceful, cool and calm personality, you can spend time with the Mother Nature. Or else you can do yoga or you can do meditation. So this way, you stay connected with nature and you actually make your personality more of balanced personality. So this is an important thing which you can do to enhance your personality or to make your personality a pleasing one. Now the next point which I have covered here is learning new skills. Now learning new skills keeps you motivated. You believe in yourself. Yes, I can learn. Age is just a number. So you constantly, when you stop learning, actually you die. So that is the words of Albert Einstein. So we need to keep learning new skills. Maybe you can learn a new language, you can play guitar, you can sing, you can learn any new thing. You can do that to improve your personality. Because when we are learning, it keeps us happy because we are improving. We are learning something, we are advancing. Right, so we are making our personality better day by day. So what we were yesterday and what we are today and what we are going to be tomorrow, there are changes in it. It is going to improve, definitely. We have improved from what we were, what we are today, and what we are going to be in the next few days, in the next years, right? So there is always a room for improvement. There is always chances. You can always improve. You can always learn. You can always put efforts. You need to put efforts to improve your personality. Next, helping someone. That makes you happy. When you are helping someone, actually not everyone is able to help other people. And it is not in everyone's behavior or nature to help other people. So actually when you help other people, when you actually help others, that makes you happy. Because you are self-sufficient and you want to help other people. That means that comes from within. You are a motivated person, you want to help other people, right? And that's what makes you happy because it gives you tremendous amount of peace and pleasure. It gives you satisfaction. Yes, I have helped someone and I have that capability of helping someone. So these are the few important points. If you keep in mind, you can definitely improve your personality. Thank you.